it's me, Miss Debbie. Do you need to clean? Let's see who can do it faster. It's time to clean.
It's time to pick up shoes, pick up socks, grab our toys, put them in a box, gather papers and our colored pens. We'll get our dress-ups, get our clothes, hang our outfits and our bows, get our stuffies and we'll make our beds, because it's time to